you actually have it opening like this.
Oh, for goodness sake.
I know, right? And
you can clean it?
Yeah, you could actually take the nest out in the fall and you can, change the batteries. The camera is up there.
Oh.
Hi everyone, my name is Cindy and welcome to the Home Automation X channel. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you the Blink Outdoor Battery Security Camera. Hahowever, this video will be a little different as I installed it inside my birdhouse. Well, I got this idea from you watching your Grandma Hatetech's video on her birdhouse cam, and here to talk about herself is Grandma Hatetech. So how are you doing? Tell me about the birdhouse cam.
Okay, I'm doing well, thanks. I bought a beautiful birdhouse with a stone chimney. Ooh. And the birds never stepped inside. They prefer my yellow birdhouse, which is old and falling apart.
Oh, wow. Well, here's a short clip of Grandma Hatetech's birdhouse cam.
I bought this beautiful birdhouse, which I call the mansion, but the birds decided to move into the yellow birdhouse, smaller. Now, why would they do that? Why not live in this beautiful mansion?
Well, I want to thank you. Thank you so much for stopping on by and talking about your birdhouse and us seeing it. I put the link down below to her channel. You need to go check it out and subscribe to her as she does many funny tech videos. Now I'm going to go outside and show you my birdhouse camera. All right, Grandma, well, this is my birdhouse and it's pretty awesome. Like, you actually have it opening like this.
Oh, for goodness sake.
I know, right? And
you can clean it?
Yeah, you could actually take the nest out in the fall and you can, change the batteries. The camera is up there.
Oh.
Yeah, and then it's as easy as that. I just shut it up and there we go. Now this camera is also good for protecting your home as well. I will talk about it as I show you how I installed it in the birdhouse. Now, because the roof is pointed, we had to cut a wooden block for the mount so the camera would be pointing straight down. This is what it looked like when the camera is attached to the mount. This is a nice birdhouse. We picked it up at a local store which specializes in wild birds. The green bird at the front was additional to reduce the size of the hole for smaller birds. I like how it opens on the front so easily. You can see how the wooden block was installed at the top, which holds the mount. This allows the camera to point straight down at the nest, which will give a perfect view of the nest and the babies. They haven't started to nest yet, but this is the view looking down overhead where the nest will be. You can see there is some interest with a bird peeking and searching things out, checking it out. Hopefully they will start building a nest soon. Now, if you want to see them build their house and raise their family, you got to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified. And as soon as I see them building their nest, I will send out an update video so you can see it live. But you only can see it if you get notified. So subscribe and click on that bell. Now I will talk about this camera. It's a great camera to have either inside or outside of your house. And they say the batteries last up to 2 years. I will let you know how that works out in our birdhouse. Now it comes with this sync module right here, which supports up to 10 cameras. I have a USB drive inserted in which it stores all the captured videos, which is great because I don't like monthly fees. The module with one camera goes for about $100. It was easy to set up. Just download the Blink app and install the module and camera by scanning the QR code. Here is some daytime footage before we put the camera in the birdhouse. It is recording in 1080p HD at 30 frames per second. There is two-way audio recording, which is great, but we don't need to talk to our birds. The videos and photos are saved locally, and you can view them through the Blink app or by inserting the USB drive into your computer. Now here is our footage at nighttime. The camera has infrared night vision to see in the dark. During our testing, the infrared intensity was set to high. This allows for a brighter image at night, and the camera operating temperature range is -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees. The camera has the same video and audio quality as the previous XT2 version. However, this version allows you to record locally, which I personally think is a great idea. Now, the Blink camera also works with Alexa, so if you have an Echo Show like we do, you can see the live video on the display. Alexa, show me the birdhouse camera.
Okay.
It takes a few seconds and then you can see the live video on the display. This is a nice little camera And because of its size, you can mount it almost anywhere. I put the link down below to see more information on this camera. I will also send out an update once the birds start to build their nests, so subscribe and click on the bell to get notified of that. If you want to see funny videos in a different way, then you gotta subscribe to Grandma Hates Tech. Her YouTube channel is hilarious. It's not your typical grandma channel, so subscribe to see her funny videos on tech. Now don't leave just yet. We have these videos on the side you might be interested in. Click on either one of them to see our latest content. Subscribe to see more videos. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget, check out our website, homeautomationx.com. Thank you for watching.